back, or welcome if you're new here on today. This is Katrina's Priceless Home Life and More, where I share tablescapes, home decor, cooking, DIYs, seasonal decor, and outdoor living. Follow me on all of my social media outlets. And now let's enjoy this unexpectedly short video together. Well, I had an itch, an after Christmas itch, to declutter and deep clean my home. And yeah, the itch was really bad. And this is the result of an itch: to clean my home. So I moved all of the furniture out of the room, cleaned the walls, and cleaned the floors. But I had one flaw in this video. I thought I was recording, and I was not actually recording. So yeah, that's why this video is so short, and this video will serve to get you started. That's right, get you started. And once you start, well, you know, you just have to finish. So thanks so much for stopping by for this quick, easy, in and out of here cleaning motivation. And if your Christmas tree is still up, well, yeah, sis. Yeah. It's time to take it down. It's time to put it back in the bag or the box. Well, until next time, don't forget, videos are uploaded on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few like this one sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. Oh yeah, and one final thing: subscribe to the channel.